Want to use Magic Q on your Google Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, or another latest Pixel device? Google has introduced an amazing AI-powered feature called Magic Q that proactively shows useful information and time-saving actions based on what you're doing on your phone. Magic Q uses AI to help you complete tasks faster by providing smart suggestions and relevant information exactly when you need it. For example, Magic Q can help you quickly find useful information on your phone or screen, switch between tasks faster, and even suggest helpful actions while you're using apps. If you want to take advantage of AI-powered suggestions and smarter actions on your Pixel device, make sure to enable Magic Q in your Google Pixel devices. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Magic Q. Toggle on Use Magic Q button. It works in different situations depending on your needs and the activity happening on your device. Magic Q can review activity from supported apps and use selected Google account data to provide personalized suggestions. This can include helpful information from apps like Gmail, Calendar, Contacts, Messages, and other Google services connected to your primary account. For example, it may help surface important email details, upcoming events, reminders, or suggested actions to save you time. Once enabled, Magic Q will automatically provide personalized recommendations and useful shortcuts based on your activity and preferences. That's it. That's how you can use Magic Q on your Google Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and other latest Pixel devices.